Ang sublimation large format ng DT Dumaguete ay nagamit lamang po ng 5 days na may 90 total meters. Ito naman yung printer head, capping, head clean, nasa na wiper pagkatapos mag-head clean, nozzle test, yung system tama lang po, ground wire, AVR, Wistang tilinis na po ito every Tuesday, stock na sa MYK, sublimation paper, delay output record. Ito naman yung consumable withdrawal. Ito naman po yung ICC profile ko, yan lang po.